Good morning, Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I am going to fix some pineapple baked beans. You need 2 cans of baked beans, the larger cans. This one is 12 ounces. You need a can of pineapple tidbits that we're going to drain. And you need an onion. And I'm going to cut this onion up and we're going to saute it just a little bit before I add it to the baked beans. So all you got to do is take your baked beans, your pineapple, your onion, and put it in a casserole dish and bake it for 30 minutes and you have some pineapple baked beans. So the first thing we'll do is get our onion ready. Going to cut up these onions, put them in a pan with a little butter and put them on the stove and saute them right quick. Put just a little bit of butter in here. Now I'm going to put them over here and cook them right quick. I put just a little bit of butter in here. Chopped up my onion and just sauteing them. Get them a little bit soft. Okay, and now I have my onions ready, so I'm just going to set them aside till I get the rest of my stuff together. Okay, now I've got 2 cans of baked beans. These are Bush's baked beans. Now this one has got bacon and brown sugar in them. If you buy the ones that do not have the brown sugar, you need to add 2 tablespoons full of brown sugar. I really didn't realize I had picked up the ones that already had brown sugar in it, so I'm not going to add any extra brown sugar. We've got the baked beans. You need a can of pineapple tidbits drained. While that's draining, I'm going to pour my onions in here. This is a recipe if you find out that you need to have something right quick to add to your meal or to take somewhere. Easy to fix and everybody enjoys them. Okay, and put your cup of pineapple tidbits in there drained, and make sure you drain them. If not, you're going to have a sloppy mess. Well, sloppy baked beans. Mix it up real good. Put it in your casserole dish. And we're going to put it in our Ninja and we're going to cook it for 30 minutes at 325 until it starts bubbling, which takes about 30 minutes. Okay, I have now got it set on bake. It's preheating right now for 30 minutes at 325. And I've got my beans sitting in there. We'll give it time to preheat. It won't take but a second. Okay, our beans have been cooking for 30 minutes, so let's just see what we've got. Oh yes, they do look good, so let's take them out. Well, they really look tasty. They smell good. Let's just give them a try. The pineapple definitely changes the flavor of the baked beans, but it is a good flavor, a different flavor. So all this is 2 cans of Bush's Original Baked Beans. I just so happened to picked up the can that said classic bacon and brown sugar already added. But you can just get the regular baked beans. 1 can of Pineapple Tidbits. And the 2 cans of baked beans. Put them in your casserole dish. And I cut up an onion and sauteed an onion and added to it. And I cooked them for 30 minutes until the beans got to bubbling. So pineapple baked beans. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Will join my channel, offer your comments. This is really a good quick meal for the summertime. Offer me your comments and come back to see me. Have a good day.